This is how you can turn on cellular data on your iPhone. Let's get into it. At first, the simplest way is to swipe down to access the control center, and in there you have the ability to tap on this like connectivity platter, and there you should see cellular data. So when you click on the icon and it turns green, it means that the cellular data are enabled. For them to be used, you also want to ensure that you are not connected to the Wi-Fi, so you can either disconnect from the current network or just turn off Wi-Fi entirely. Of course, you can also access it inside of the settings where you open it up and there the cellular is going to pop up. Then if you have dual SIM, you can even choose which SIM card is going to be used to access the internet. So you can choose whether it's going to be like the first or second one. And also if you are like traveling and stuff, you can also set up like roaming and stuff like this for individual SIM cards. So it may be very useful to explore the individual settings for each SIM card. Keep in mind that it also depends on your carrier, because you might have the SIM card installed and the cellular data turn on your device, but if your carrier simply doesn't allow it, or it's not part of your prepaid plan for whatever reason, or some other issue is there, then you need to get in touch with them, and your carrier is going to be the only entity which can solve this issue. But I believe that by now you should already have your cellular data working. Let me know below by hitting the thumbs up button if you did successfully enable it, and subscribe for more straight to the point tutorials. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next video.